So these are the pieces for 10 scaffold. Basically, these are 40 inches each, and those are just a 2x4 cut in half, so 48 plus or minus, doesn't really matter. So 40, 40, and 48, just a 2x4 cut in half. You make them 40 inches, it doesn't really matter. That always butts to the wall, so this is the top, obviously. If you try to screw it on the wall this way, this is going to fall apart. Okay, so don't do that. The way I put them together is, this is square. I'm doing the shop. So this is a square thing. I just kind of line it up. Alright, and then put this brace in. I put a screw in, a screw in, and a screw. And then I nailed it together. And I nailed it together with, well, I'm using galvanized because for my gun it's the only one I can get. So let's actually show you one. And the reason I'm using galvanized is not because they're galvanized, it's because they're ring shank. So basically they have a ring. These do not come out. I mean, I've tried pulling beams apart. I've got to saw them apart because you can't get them out. Standard ones are these. Okay, they got a bit of a glue coating on them, and when they rust, they're pretty good for framing, but I wouldn't trust them for that. And that's pretty much it. I put my beams on, and maybe I'll take a thing afterwards. Oh, here we go. So, these are the three things I use. Initial screws are 3" by number 8. I screw it onto the wall with 2 of these guys on the bottom and that guy on the top. Okay, and that's in 3.5 number 10. And this is 5/16 4 inches. Okay, that's Torx head. And since I'm in Canada, that's square head Robertson. They're nice. I mean, you get Torx if you whatever. Don't use Phillips, you'll never get them back out again. And that will create a problem for you. And that's that. And when you make them, I make them this way. Okay, there's a piece underneath, so they're offset, so I can actually get at screws to screw them on the wall. If you make them this way, make sure that you make a couple of lefts or a couple of rights, and the rest doesn't matter, because that's how they'll set up in the building. If you notice, that guy's this way, this guy's this way, so I can screw there and screw there. And if you don't, you're going to have issues, because one of them is going to stick out past the building. And that should be it for that. Okay, so there's the scaffold. Isn't that neat? I don't remember what's that.